Hello, how are you? I hope you're good. I hope you're keeping safe. Good morning. It is morning time, Nigeria, and you're highly welcome to my channel. God bless you. Thank you for all your comments after you watch my videos. Okay, thank you for all your prayers. I really do appreciate you. To my return subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. All right, God bless you. Your pockets will never go dry in Jesus' name. Please, I want to encourage you, those of you that are just seeing me for the first time. My name is Mercy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. Just consider to subscribe, like, and comment, share my videos to help somebody in need. It's all about simple solutions to challenges of life. Okay, based on request, I want to make this video. The power of your early morning urine. The power of your early morning urine. Now, I want you to know that your urine is very powerful, especially when you are healthy, when you are strong, you are not sick, you don't have kidney infection, you don't have liver infection, you don't have diabetic, you are healthy, you are okay. Your urine is very, very effective because I work in a lab environment, and at times some patients, when you ask them to produce 24 hours urine, those that have kidney problem, liver problem, their urine is always bad. So that is why I'm referring to those that I know that you are healthy, you are strong. Your urine is very powerful to destroy a lot of things, to help you in your life. Now that urine is being produced by you alone, okay, and not for somebody else, so it will work for you. It's something that has stayed inside your body and it came out from your body. It has a lot to do you good. Now you can use your urine to wash your leg if you find out that things are not really going well with you, things are not really moving well. You find out that you are facing challenges of stagnation. You can use your morning urine, early morning urine, to wash your leg for 7 days, to wash it off. You find out you have difficulty in saving money. You have difficulty in saving money. Maybe ever since you gave your uncle money, your auntie money, and you supported somebody, and you find out that you can no longer save. You are really suffering from the value of emptiness, from January to December, empty. Every time they call you for any assistance in the family, you always complain. You can use your morning urine to start washing. The first urine in the morning, anytime you wake up from 4, 4 is actually the morning. You can use your urine and wash your hand, okay, if possible. If you have alligator pepper, put it in your mouth. Chew 7 alligator pepper as you're washing your mouth, your hands, you are speaking it out. You can use your early morning urine to wash your face as a woman. If you find out you are not attracting anybody, you are not attracting as a single lady, you are not attracting anybody at all, you can use your early morning. When you urinate in the morning, you speak into that urine, you use it to wash your face, to remove all those things. Now, after doing this thing, you take your shower, okay? But this your urine is your urine you are going to use. You take your urine raw, okay? After all this thing, you take your shower, go your normal way. It's just for a short time. You have a wound, and the wound will refuse to heal, or somebody match poison, it refuses to heal. You can use your morning urine to start washing it. Now, let me just tell you, some years back when I was planning for my traditional marriage, there are these 3 people that actually did deliverance from the spirit of death. Then I was not used to cleansing. Okay, after doing deliverance from people, a lot of attack, I don't do cleansing. I was still ignorant about cleansing until God opened my eyes to see cleansing. Now, everything I post on this channel is something I've been doing for like 12 years back. Okay, So it's something that out of experience, I've used to solve people's problem. It's not something that I don't have any idea. No, because I didn't inherit anything from my grandmother or my grandfather. I'm a special child, gifted from God, called for this purpose. And I received my call physically from God. It's not that somebody told me. All right. So then I had somebody confronted me. I saw the revelation. Two dogs attacked me, but I took it as a joke. One of these days, I'll move into dreams. When you have dreams, what did they actually mean? I don't want you to be a victim of circumstances like mine. You know, I overlooked the dream. Okay, and that was how I had accident. They wanted to cripple me. Now, for months, I did not walk. When I started using wheelchair. From wheelchair, I started using clutches. From clutches, I started using stick. I worked with stick for years before I stopped. So any day you come across Mercy and you see that I'm leaping, do not be shocked, because I'm still going for treatment. I'm still going for physiotherapy for my wound. Now the wound will refuse to heal. When they treat this way, it will develop another phase. When they treat, that was when I introduced the use of sand to treat spiritual sickness. So at a point in time, when you touch my legs, it will be very hot, as if they are cooking it on the fire. So I started using my morning urine to wash the leg. I was washing the leg. When I wake up, before I talk to anybody, I would urinate and then use it and wash the leg. You know, wash away all the charms, all the spiritual poison. I washed the leg. I did it for 7 days. There was a change, a big change. To the glory of God, I am getting better. I'm no longer using stick. It's more than 1 year. I stopped stick, but I still lived a little. And with your prayer, God will heal me permanently. All right. Now you can use your urine to wash that wound. You find out that the wound is not going, or you match poison, prayerfully using your urine and Psalm 91, Psalm 35, and sand to wash that leg. You will see changes in it. Now I want to tell you, you are a man, you are a woman. Your friend asks you to escort her, follow me to somewhere you are not sure of. You are scared in going with her. You are not comfortable, but the person still insists that you go with her, that particular place that she's going to or he's going to. What do? When you wake up in the morning, you take your early morning urine, you wash your legs, wash your hands, wash your face. In that place, you have protected yourself. No matter where you take, where you follow her to or where you follow him to, they will not have any bad effect against you. Anything they will do will return back to sender, because the urine has that power to return evil back to sender, to neutralize evil projection. So you wash your face, you wash your hand, you wash your leg with your urine. You are good to go. You are traveling, you take your early morning urine, you wash your face, you wash your hand, you wash your legs, and speak that you will not enter the wrong vehicle. You are protected. Yes, God has made it so powerful like that, but you don't know. You overlook it like that. Is it not urine? Does it mean? Wash it and take your bath, take your perf. You will not smell. Nothing is there. All right? That is just it. You went out somewhere and you ate, and you feel that what you ate is bad. You wake up in the morning, take your urine, pray on it and drink it. It will neutralize that poison. That thing will die. It will not have any effect on that, especially when your hands are clean, when you are not wishing anybody evil, you are not planning evil against anybody. All these things is going to work for you. It will work for your own good. Okay? It will work for your own good. You want to travel as a mother, as a father, with your family to the village. Take your early morning urine. Read Psalm 91 to it. Use it to bathe your children, bathe yourself, your husband. Take your journey. You will come back. You are protected. That journey will go in peace and come back in peace. If any bad thing wants to happen, you will see a sign, but it will not harm you. Okay? You as a mother, as a father, take your early morning urine. Read Psalm 91 on it. Add more water to it. Everybody use it and take your bath. That is to protect you from evil, from spirit of death, because he has the power to neutralize evil and to ward off evil vibration. All right, that is it. So I really want to share this information with you because it's based on popular request. All right, now there are more you can do with your early morning urine. There are more to do. Lastly, let me add this one to it. You have a business environment. Your business is not selling. You feel that somebody has made charm on your business. Somebody has made charm on that environment. When you come to your shop, sweep all the whole sand from your shop, all the sand to enter your shop, put them together, urinate on it. If possible, when you enter inside your shop, urinate on the shop. Make a prayer and clean it off. Every charm will be destroyed. You wake up in the morning, somebody has sprinkled water you don't know on your door. Go and urinate. Pour your urine there. Everything will destroy. Everything will be neutralized. Okay? That is it. You have a shop you are not selling. Use your money urine. Do you understand? You can add it in a bucket of water and use it to mop your shop and sprinkle it at the entrance of your shop. You sprinkle it. You know that there is a lot of challenges around that place, a lot of things they are doing on. Take your early morning urine with Jesus on your side, with Psalm 91 in it, with Psalm 35 in your ear. You begin to do back to sender. You sprinkle it, it will return back to sender. Your urine can never do you harm. It will only do you good. All right, so do yourself the favor of using your urine. Like I told you, you are going out, you are scared. Even as a lady, you want to visit a guy for the first time, you are scared. You don't know the guy, you met it online, or you met somebody online, you want to go and visit. Use your early morning urine. When you use it to wash your face, you wash your hand, you wash your leg, you wash your honey pots. Use it and wash your honey pots. Even if it's a Yahoo guy that wants to use you for anything, if he touch you, it will be back to sender. It will not work. Yes. Even if he lie with you, he had intimacy with you, he thought he can use your home or can use event to it will not work. Now I want to tell you, as a married woman, your husband is sleeping around everywhere, and you felt that a particular lady has charmed your husband. Every time your husband doesn't ask for your attention, it's like your honey pot is no longer good, enjoyable for him. He prefer another one. Don't worry, just target him. The day he's going to do again, make sure you use everything to bring him. The day he wants to do, use your early morning urine, wash your bekus. Once he sleep with you, every charm made against him will cease. It will be neutralized. It is what you speak into the urine. That is what it will do for you. You can also use your early morning to attract favor. But I don't want to talk more than this. I will still share more, throw more light, and give you more wisdom on this, your knowledge on this your early morning urine, so that you know that you are wonderfully made and you are blessed. All right. Thank you for watching. God bless you.